Hey everyone, it's Alpella. Today we're diving into the world of Facebook monetization. Imagine this. You're scrolling through Facebook, checking out your favorite creators, and bam, you realize they're making bank just from posting. We're talking about turning your passion into profit. In this video, I'm breaking down the top ways you can start earning serious cash from your Facebook content. Get ready to take some notes because we're about to turn you into a Facebook money-making machine. First up, we've got in-stream ads. Those ads that play in the middle of videos, they could be making you money. Create videos at least 3 minutes long, and in-stream ads are a no-brainer. Facebook inserts short ads and you get paid for views or clicks. It's like magic money for creating content you love. Next up, let's talk about building a loyal following that pays. With fan subscriptions, your biggest fans can subscribe to your page for a monthly fee. In exchange for their support, you can give your subscribers exclusive perks they won't find anywhere else. Think behind the scenes content, special badges, exclusive live streams, and custom emojis. This is a fantastic way to build a deeper connection with your most engaged fans while also creating a more predictable income stream. If you love going live and interacting with your audience, then Facebook Stars is your golden ticket. It's like getting virtual tips from your biggest fans. Suddenly, a shower of stars fills the screen. That's your audience showing their appreciation and sending you stars. Now, let's talk about teaming up with brands you love to make some serious bank. Branded content and partnerships are where it's at if you've got a decent following and you're not afraid to show off products you believe in. You partner with a brand you love and create content that features their product or service in a natural, authentic way. The key is to be genuine and only promote stuff you actually use and believe in. We'll give you some tips on how to reach out to brands, negotiate deals like a pro, and make sure you're getting the most out of your partnerships. Have you ever thought about hosting your own exclusive online events? It's like throwing a party for your biggest fans, but instead of snacks, you're serving up incredible value and experiences. You could host a workshop to teach your skills, a Q&A session where you answer your fans' burning questions, or even a live performance showcasing your talent. Your audience pays a small fee to join, and in return, they get an exclusive, interactive experience they won't forget. We'll walk you through the steps of planning, promoting, and hosting a killer online event that will have your fans raving and your bank account thanking you. Ever wish you could create a VIP lounge just for your most dedicated fans? Well, now you can with subscription groups. It's like fan subscriptions, but on a whole other level. With subscription groups, you create a private Facebook group that only paying members can access. This is where you share your most exclusive content, offer personalized support, and build a tight-knit community of super fans. We'll show you how to set up your own subscription group, the types of exclusive perks that will keep your members coming back for more, and how to cultivate a thriving community that feels like family. If you've got a knack for creating awesome merch or digital products, Facebook Shops is your one-stop shop for turning your creativity into cold, hard cash. With Facebook Shops, they can buy directly from your page without ever leaving the app. No more sending them to external websites or dealing with complicated checkout processes. We'll break down the steps to setting up your own Facebook shop, from showcasing your products in the most enticing way to streamlining the checkout process for maximum sales. Affiliate marketing is like having your own army of salespeople working for you 24/7, bringing in commissions while you sleep. It's a fantastic way to earn passive income by recommending products you love to your audience. You find a product or service you love and think your audience would benefit from. Then you sign up for their affiliate program and get a unique link to share. Every time someone makes a purchase through your link, you earn a commission. We'll share our top tips for finding profitable affiliate programs, crafting compelling recommendations that convert, and maximizing your earnings without being salesy or pushy. Calling all viral video creators and niche content masters. If you're creating content that's truly unique and engaging, paid content and licensing deals could be your ticket to the big leagues. Facebook's Rights Manager is a powerful tool that helps you protect your precious content from being used without your permission. You can actually choose to license your content to other pages or creators, allowing them to use it in exchange for a fee. We'll show you how to use Facebook's Rights Manager like a pro, how to identify licensing opportunities, and how to negotiate deals that put more money in your pocket. Now, who doesn't love a good bonus? Facebook is all about rewarding creators, and they often roll out special bonus programs that can give your earnings a serious boost. We'll keep you updated on the latest bonus programs and show you how to qualify for these sweet rewards. Think of Facebook as one piece of your content empire. Even if you're active on other platforms like YouTube, Instagram, or even Twitch, Facebook can be a powerful tool to drive traffic and boost your earnings across the board. Share snippets of your latest YouTube video on Facebook to entice viewers to head over to your channel. Give your Facebook followers a sneak peek of your exclusive Patreon content to encourage them to become paying subscribers. By strategically promoting your other platforms on Facebook, you can expand your reach, grow your following, and ultimately increase your earning potential across all your online endeavors. So there you have it. Facebook's top monetization strategies for content creators. We've covered everything from in-stream ads to fan subscriptions to selling your own merch. Experiment, have fun, and don't be afraid to get creative. Now go out there and make some serious bank. I believe in you. Let me know in the comments which strategy you think would work best for you. This is Alpella Academy. Thanks for watching and happy creating. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. for more insights on growing your online presence.